What's going on, guys? Kimchi Cowboy. We're back here at Copperhead Creek. Today we're going to be doing some different drills. I'll be starting cold on Lucas's 50 round pistol certification, starting with the Glock first, and then we'll move on to the Sig. After the 50 rounds of pistol, so 50 Glock, 50 Sig, we'll do the same drill but with rounds with the AR that I have. You do 50 shots, all within the A zone or head box, and then you divide it by your time and all that. But we'll go ahead and get ready, and once again starting with the Glock. Okay, 5 yards, compress ready, 2 headshots. Have not shot at all today, so we'll see how this goes. Time of 160, both in the head box. Okay, back from the range. I was going to show you guys photos on the screen, but it wasn't working, so I'm going to show you here. Starting with the Glock 19, here are all the times that I did. Total time at 52 seconds, 0.65. Not the best, not the worst. Like I said, I haven't shot for a whole month, and the first drill I did was cold, so obviously my second run was better. As you can hear are the total targets. You have your Alpha, Charlie, Deltas, Mikes. So actually, surprisingly, I got 10 alphas. The alphas are including the head box. Got a couple Charlies, a couple Deltas, and a lot of Mikes. So each alpha is worth 5 points. Each Charlie is worth 3 points, 0 points for Deltas, minus 10 for Mikes. So I got a total of 92 points, which comes out to a hit factor of 1.74. Now immediately I reloaded, went ahead and marked off my target, and did it a second time. As you guys can see, comparing the times, we're a little bit faster in some areas. We're actually dead exact same for holstered. I did slow down in some areas. Now this one here, 13.32, I had a mistake, and then I had another mistake as well with slide lock reload or something like that. But my time was significantly faster with a 49.48. Looking at the targets, 11 alphas, 11 alphas, 3 Charlies, 1 Delta, 2 Mikes, then 10, 1, 1, 3, 14, 1, 1, 2, with a total point of 120, and that comes out to a hit factor of 2.42. Now we're looking at the Sig M18. I did a lot better with this one. Here are the times for each sector or each run, first run, second run. Took a little more time with this, a little more time here and there. First run we came out with a 53.63 total time, 120 total points with a hit factor of 2.23. Second run, 51.44 seconds with total points of 142 and a hit factor of 2.76. So to wrap it up in total, I was much better with the Sig. Mainly I want to say it's because of the red dot sight. I also had some errors like here on the Glock. I ran out of rounds and I had to run back for this mag and so forth like that. But yeah, overall super happy with what I did. I wasn't expecting to do terrible, but I wasn't expecting to do great either. The first run with the Glock actually really surprised me. I was having trouble picking up the sights, blah blah blah, whatever you could say. It's 100 degrees outside and it was super hot. That was making me inaccurate, but I got out there, I trained, I'm gonna get better. I have this now for a baseline, so when I go back out I can see this, see where I can improve. I definitely think I could speed up a little bit, but looking at how many mics I have, I definitely want to slow down and make sure I'm getting more targets hit, more alphas, some charlies, clean up the deltas, and definitely clean up the mics. But overall, super happy with this baseline. I believe Lucas said like a good starting point for a shooter is a hit factor of 4 to 5. So I definitely got some places to improve, and I can't wait to get back out there. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.